Hello and welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial 27, using vertical drains to accelerate excess pore pressure dissipation in PLAXIS 2D. If you remember in previous tutorial, we have construction of this embankment on soft soil underlain by one layer of dense sand, and we performed a consolidation analysis for this example. And in this tutorial, we will try to add or include a vertical drain under this embankment. So these drains will help us to more quickly dissipate the excess pore water pressure in shorter time. So what is a vertical drain, or what is a drain in PLAXIS 2D? A drain is a line that we can draw inside a soil model, and this will help us to more quickly dissipate the excess pore water pressure. And these types of drain in PLAXIS 2D represent something like a vertical drain, such as PV, prefabricated vertical drains, or weak drains, or a horizontal drainage passage, or a horizontal drainage path that speed up consolidation. So when this type of drain is used in PLAXIS 2D, when the pore water pressure matters, such as in consolidation analysis, groundwater flow analysis, or fully coupled flow deformation analysis. So this was from tutorial 26, and I will try to save in a different project. That's why in here I will copy this title of tutorial 27, and we open this PLAXIS project and click on File, Save Project As, and paste the title of the new tutorial here, and we click on Save. Type with drains and click on Apply, click OK. So we can see the blue one in case of without drain, and the red one is in case when we used a vertical drain. In this time, the consolidation time is decreased to about 4 to 5 days. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.